Unraveling Idioms, Understanding, Run Off at the Mouth. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on a very interesting English expression. If you've ever heard someone run off at the mouth and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into this phrase, exploring its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started and unlock another secret of the English language together. Run off at the mouth is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who talks too much, often without much thought or consideration. It implies that the person is speaking excessively, sometimes revealing secrets or personal information that should not be shared, or simply talking incessantly about trivial matters. This phrase is often used in a negative context, suggesting that the speaker's verbosity is not only unnecessary but also potentially annoying or inappropriate. While the exact origin of run off at the mouth is not clear, it's believed to come from the visual metaphor of a river or stream overflowing its banks. Just as water can uncontrollably spill over when it becomes too much for the riverbed to contain, so too can words spill out of a person's mouth when they talk excessively or without restraint. This vivid imagery helps to convey the sense of overabundance and lack of control associated with the phrase. To use run off at the mouth correctly, it's important to understand that it's typically not a compliment. You might use it when describing someone's behavior in a social setting, during a meeting, or in any scenario where someone's excessive talking becomes noticeable. For example, I tried to get a word in, but John just ran off at the mouth the whole evening. Please remind me not to share secrets with her. She tends to run off at the mouth. Remember, since it can come across as critical, be mindful of the context and your relationship with the person you're talking about or to whom you're saying this. If you're looking for less colloquial ways to express the same idea, consider phrases like talk excessively, speak without restraint, or overly talkative. These alternatives convey a similar message but might be more suitable for formal writing or situations where you prefer a more neutral tone. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, run off at the mouth. Now that you know what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it, you're all set to understand and apply this expression in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is an exciting journey full of discoveries. We hope this lesson has been enlightening and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!